Sonny right there having a lot of fun. Me and Michael were doing the clog dancing. Mike, you're having a blast right now with $47,100 in the bank. So you got your little backup here.
Yes.
You got your partner here, Sean, is with us today.
Sean, yes.
Sean, what's going on?
What's up, Steady Bear?
Very good, man. Glad you're here. You're doing great, brother.
Thank you.
So here we go. You ready?
Let's do it.
Let's play.
Let's do it.
Mary-Kate Olsen is currently dating Olivier Sarkozy, 17 years, her senior, and half-brother of the former leader of which country? Germany, France, Russia, United Kingdom.
I'm going to go with B, France. Final answer.
B, France, final answer? That's a good answer. That's a good answer. That's a good answer. That's right. We got 10,000, we got $500 up there. Let's see if we got some big money tonight. $5,000. Michael, you just broke the 50,000 mark, man. $52,100. Yeah, man. Here's your next question. There's no right way to eat a Reese's is a statement found on a popular graphic tee that appropriately depicts what animal? A small monkey, a predatory bird, a venomous snake, or a hairless rat. This is sick. Get one up.
After seeing the slogan, I wish I had this shirt because it's really witty. But I know that a Rhesus is a type of monkey, so I'm going to go with A, a small monkey. Final answer.
You knew a Rhesus was a small monkey.
Oh, yeah. No, doesn't everybody?
Everybody knows that. And you know what? There is no right way to eat a small monkey.
No, there's not.
No, it's not. You could, you put the barbecue sauce in a small monkey and
or fry it.
Grill it.
Yep.
Just lightly sauteed small
bacon.
monkey. I love that one.
Anything with bacon.
Bacon with
Anything
on that,
with bacon.
you just sprinkle bacon on there. Twice baked small monkey. It's nice.
It's a little tough.
Don't judge till you had it, people.
Right.
That's all I'm saying. All right. Like you're on the road, man.
Let's do it.
Let's see how much money we're going to add to the bank. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Do it. That's different. That's new. You add that to the clogging bowl.
Yeah.
That's a whole nother.
Urban clogging.
That's urban clogging right there.
Right.
Yeah, that's nice. You got $62,100, man. 3 questions away from being out of round 1 and into round 2.
All right.
Got 1 lifeline left.
Okay.
Here's your next question. The inventor of which of these novelties touted it by saying that if you buy it, you won't need to buy drugs? Magic 8 Ball, Pet Rock, Hula Hoop, Lava Lamp.
The only one that really sticks out to me, and the only one that really references any type of drug paraphernalia, not that I'm into that, would be Magic 8 Ball, because 8 Ball, cocaine.
Yeah.
Let's go with... Let's jump it.
Boy, it was like a major gasp with the audience. They were like, oh my gosh. All right, you jumped it.
Let's jump it.
You know what I'm saying? And it's now out of place for us to see what the answer is right now.
I knew
it. Oh, you'll be so glad you jumped this one, man. Let's see what he jumped over. What kind of money you can jump over right now?